Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will begin by installing a small folder color tool or preparing the registry change manually. This gives you options. Once installed, run the app as administrator or open registry editor and backup HKey current user. Make sure the folder you want to change is closed in Explorer so icons refresh cleanly. You do this because apps or registry edits need elevated rights and a clean Explorer state to write color metadata without conflicts or cached thumbnails. Now apply the color using your chosen method. If you use an app, navigate to the folder, pick a color swatch, and press Apply. The app writes metadata or a desktop. In iEntry, if you modify the registry, add or edit the appropriate key and point to a colored icon file or set custom attributes, be precise with paths. After writing changes, refresh Explorer or restart the Explorer. EXE process so the new color and icon are read and displayed correctly. Finish by ensuring desktop. Inai is present, and the folder has the system attribute if you relied on a custom icon entry. This makes Windows honor the change. Once done, clear icon cache or kill and restart Explorer to force a refresh. If colors still fail, make sure the icon file path is correct and permissions allow read access. The key troubleshooting tip is to restore your earlier restore point or re-import the exported registry if something breaks. This reverses changes cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.